Okay, so ini minggu kedua di mana kita nampak Bitcoin sideways, kemudian break ke bawah, sideways again, dan sedang break ke bawah. And I'm going to show you exactly kenapa ini penting dan macam mana ini boleh affect bias atau trading plan saya untuk minggu depan. And I'm going to show you exactly the levels yang saya sedang monitor untuk cari position to trade. Tapi sebelum itu, let's do a quick recap. Thank you everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I really appreciate it. Last week, we started the trade with a very good Bitcoin short. We had an ENA long. We had Res long. Our Bitcoin short was really juicy, right? We had some audio shorts, some other shorts on altcoins like OG, audio, Res were really good, rare, okay? But our biggest trade minggu lepas was on Solana, right? Solana gave us really really good profit. So bukan saya saja, but member lain pun follow trade setup yang saya share, and they also made really good profit. Okay, I think some members made some profits from CRV, tapi CRV saya close at break even. Lai was another good short trade we took. Let me show you Solana. So Solana was a really juicy trade. Saya baru close tadi. Right, hit my trailing stop, 725% profit. So very big trade from Solana. We absolutely destroyed the market last week with some good trades. So let's take a look apakah plan saya untuk masa sekarang. What are the levels that I'm actually looking for? Now, bila kita ada consolidation sideways ini over the weekend, usually tengok dari Sabtu, Ahad dia consolidate sideways and then dia akan break out. Sabtu, Ahad consolidate sideways and then dia akan break out. So apa yang berlaku bila ada consolidation macam ini ialah kita akan nampak, tengok, this was the weekend, right? The weekend. Okay. Over the weekend, a lot of liquidity dibentukkan di atas dan di bawah. Right, so last weekend, kita dah clean up this liquidity below. This weekend, we've already clean up this liquidity below. So, itu meninggalkan liquidity di atas untuk disapu. Right, so you can see above this weekend, we have about 145 million liquidity. Last weekend, we have about 113 million in liquidity just sitting there doing nothing. Okay, so bias saya untuk sekarang ialah untuk cari long and possibly cari long yang boleh naik and take out these liquidity levels, right? Because this can be a good draw yang akan menarik price, right? It can be a good target. So let's take a look where are the levels yang saya sedang tengok. So my plan for now ialah, okay, I am actually monitoring this range right here. So I'm going to show you a shorter term plan first, and then kita akan zoom out sikit and tengok bigger plan B. Kalau plan A ni fail, what is our plan B? So plan A saya untuk masa sekarang ialah untuk cari long position. And kalau kita tengok, we were previously in this range right here. Okay, you can see we moved up and moved down in this range, gagal untuk breakout, and now we are possibly creating a range rotation. Okay, so I would like to look for long positions here. Okay, where we can see the golden pocket lines up with the value area low of this range. Okay, you could say that mungkin sini boleh cari long, right? Sebab ada point of control, ada 0.5 level. Tapi kenapa saya tak cari long sini? Sebab if we look at the momentum, okay, tengok 4-hour candlestick warna merah. That means there's very strong selling momentum opening the week. So usually bila saya nampak ada candle 4-hour warna merah macam ni, I expect it to move a little bit lower first. Right, I expect it to move a little bit lower first. That's why I'm okay to be patient and to wait for a better entry, iaitu the value area low. So I'm just expecting it to pull a range rotation. So tengok dari atas ke bawah, right, rotate back up, and now we could possibly be rotating back down. So that's why I'm looking for a long position di sini, about 81. Dan kalau saya dapat entry di sini, my target would be stop loss maybe below here, mungkin bagi space sikit, about here. And my target would be, first of all, to get a range rotation and to take out this weekend's liquidity around here, 85k. And if we can show strength and good momentum, then we could possibly get last week's liquidity at about 87k. So possibly 1/3 risk to reward ratio. So ini ialah plan A saya. Let me just mark this out right here. Okay, this is my plan A. If we can get this trade, this would be really good. Now, kalau ini gagal, let's say saya tak nampak ada confirmation, right? Ada trigger untuk entry di sini, then I'll be looking for plan B. Now, apa plan B saya? Let me show you exactly what my plan B is. Let's zoom out a little bit and let me show you this this bigger time frame range. Okay, so right now, kalau you tengok tadi kita tengok range ini kan, okay, so it looks like on this bigger time frame range kita dah dari atas ke bawah and we could be going for rotation back up. So this lines up dengan kita punya plan untuk cari long. Okay, sebab sekarang kita dah di atas point of control. Kalau kita deviate sikit, right, di bawah sini, it's okay. Okay, it's okay. So long as we can bounce and reclaim it, then maybe we can get up to the value area high. Okay, now kalau plan itu gagal, right, if our first plan gagal dan kita break ke bawah, then we'll have to look for longs di value area low sini. Okay, the value area low sini. And do we have a Fibonacci pool right here? Nope, we don't. Let me just pull a fib dari sini ke sini. Does anything line up? I would say this value area low is right in the middle of our golden pocket. So automatically ini menjadi kawasan yang saya akan cari long position. This will be my plan B. Okay, so plan B saya, kalau entry dekat atas sini tadi tu fail dan dia breakout dan dia sambung ke bawah, I'm going to look for a rotation down here. Okay, so this is the previous value area low, sorry, not previous, the bigger range value area low yang dia telah bounce. Dia bounce dari sini, dia bounce dari sini, right? So we can expect another bounce here selagi support tak break, selagi itulah support itu valid. Okay, so this would be my plan B. Again, I'll look for an entry within here, stop loss below here, targeting the previous weekend. Okay, 1 to 1.6 macam tu. And if we can get the previous weekend and possibly value area high, okay, itu ialah 1/2.3. Right, so these are the two levels yang saya sedang monitor. Now, bias saya is to long for this shorter period of time, right, going into next week. Bila bias saya akan berubah jadi short, right, bila bias saya berubah jadi short ialah bila kita berjaya take out this liquidity. Okay, then mungkin saya akan cari short. Sebab kalau ingat, if we look at the higher time frames, we do have the Fibonacci on the weekly di bawah sini, golden pocket. We have the support, so it's possible that we could get attracted lower. And of course, if you look at the current market structure, right, just looking at the market structure, it is more bearish. Okay, so longer term, it is still more bearish. Tapi untuk shorter term, going into next week, maybe even the week after that, we'll see. But going into next week, bias saya for now is to look for long positions because of the ranges that we are currently playing with. Okay, but once we get those range rotations dan kita ada peluang untuk sell high, then we could possibly get some good sell positions and target the higher time frame points of interest. Okay, so that's my plan going into next week. Kalau ada apa-apa perubahan, of course, I will be updating in the academy. Now, kalau you guys nak trade, okay, kalau you guys nak trade macam member dalam academy, okay, make sure you guys take advantage of the Maxi new user bonus. Masih ada new user bonus ni ya. So, register, KYC and deposit and trade sedikit and you guys boleh dapat 20 USDT percuma. Guna duit ni untuk trade. Right, it's a really good bonus from Maxi untuk new user. Okay, dan kalau you guys join the academy, saya dah sediakan satu video. Where is it? Right here. Satu video. It's about 5 minutes di mana anda boleh belajar exactly cara untuk set up account trading anda dan cara untuk mula trading. Okay, so if you guys want to start trading, you guys boleh join Kyzen Crypto Academy. It's free. Tekan link di bawah. Itu saja untuk video kali ini. Happy trading going into next week. Jangan lupa like, comment and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.